It was Christmas Eve, and we were all packed in the car. This was full of Christmas gifts from floor to the roof, and we were driving to their grandparents' house for celebrations.
The kids were in the back seat, and they were all messing around, and they were talking about the big evening when Santa Claus was coming, and the big brother was teasing his twin sisters that he will receive the biggest gifts. So we had a really happy moment in the car.
And when we had driven maybe 1 hour, 15 minutes, we saw a car coming towards us and kind of lost grip of the road.
And then it all went black, and I think we all thought that this was the end. Remember the car came with a very high speed towards us, and suddenly we woke up in a ditch.
And then the screaming began.
Yeah.
After that.
First it was a silence, and then the kids were starting to scream, "Mommy's going to die." And then we looked at our car as well, and it was also totally crashed.
Nothing left of the front.
No.
And Christmas presents all over.
Yeah.
All over the car.
Exactly.
Do you remember what they said, the ambulance people?
No.
We didn't think anybody was alive in that car.
They thought we all were dead.
Being so close to death, it could have happened that we could have died. Looking back at it now, it has changed, of course, because you realize that anything can happen in a matter of seconds.
I definitely enjoy life much more now, and I know that there might not be a day tomorrow, so of course you want to live life today. Even if you're in control, an accident can happen very suddenly and change everything.